Hello, Rama Crypto Army. Welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to touch on this right quick. I wanted to touch on that, we have the migration coming up. So I wanted to touch on the fact that even when the migration is over with, of course, we're going to have our pump, okay? But don't be surprised if you see a certain consolidation period, because we all also know that whatever goes up must come down, okay? So consolidation is normal, fluctuation is also normal, okay? So we have to look at it in that light. That's what crypto is about. It's about fluctuation, all right? But a lot of individuals, they seem to not, they seem to not grasp that part. Mainly a lot of the newer investors, okay? And you also have to keep this in mind also. All right, we have a lot of holders. Now I know that I said we've been weeding ourselves. We've been weeding out a lot of the. Old short-term holders. Okay, but you have to understand this. Some of those short-term holders, they're playing a different game. Okay, and the game they're playing is waiting for a better opportunity than the first wave of short-term holders had to sell. Okay, now in the first wave of short-term holders, what they were doing was they were waiting to see any kind of pump possible within the V2 SAITAMA project, okay, to sell for any kind of profits, because a lot of them have been in the project for a while, and they have not been happy that things have not been going their way. But remember, crypto is not always about going your way. Crypto is about going its own way. Crypto has always, for years, at least for the last 8 years that I've been investing in crypto, crypto has always done its own thing. Okay, so the thing is this: a lot of them have the first wave of short-term investors have sold. Okay, but we have another wave of short-term investors that are waiting for the V2. Now these are individuals who still do not have the patience for crypto, and they're looking at V2. Instead of looking at V2 as a positive long-term, sorry about that. Instead of looking at V2 as a positive long-term situation, they're looking at it as a way to get out. So we will have some of those long-term flippers selling. Okay, so we're going to go through another wave. Even in V2, we're going to continue to weed ourselves of those short-term investors. Okay, so we have to prepare for that. You guys know I always like educating you, I always like preparing you, okay, for the worst. But in this case, it will be, in my opinion, a positive thing, because we're going to get rid of that second wave, and we're going to continue to see what this SAITAMA community is made of. I also know that this SAITAMA community is made strong, okay, because we already see it in the charts. We've seen it when this first wave sold off. We see it when the big sales, you get those big sales, and SAITAMA continues to eat those dips. Okay, we have not had that in a while. Okay, so I just want to prepare you that V2 is coming up. Okay, V2 is coming up, and prepare for that second wave of short-term investors to sell off, so we can continue to make this community strong. All right, so I wanted to make this video. All right, and remember, every now will be history tomorrow, and you either have patience in this crypto investing space or lose in the end, and you do not want to be a loser. All right, so this is my video. I'll catch you all on the up and up. Howdy.